Wait, what does it say here? Oh, Boatopia, here we go. That's our man. What's your name?
Franklin.
Franklin, let's go. What's up, everybody? It's about 11 a.m. We are headed to the airport right now. What we're doing this week is we're flying out to Nassau, the Bahamas. We got two back-to-back boat charter videos. We're shooting 132 foot, I believe, and 164 foot. They're pretty big boats. We're going to be doing two charter videos, like I mentioned, for Boatopia MVP. Just going to be staying in the same place for a whole week. Got all the gear. FPV drones, got the new 7-inch waterproof FPV drone, the Mavic 3, we have a Mavic 2, we got a bunch of cameras, underwater stuff. So ready to make this happen. Headed to the airport right now, and I'll see you guys in the Bahamas. Wait, what does it say here? Oh, Boatopia, here we go. That's our man. What's your name?
Franklin.
Franklin, let's go. Boatopia has landed in Nassau, Bahamas. We got the squad back here.
Making myself comfortable already.
All right, he's getting undressed. He's getting ready for the scene. We're taking the shuttle to the hotel / Airbnb. Miles is staying in a nice place. We're staying in the back, somewhere in the maid's quarters. Not really shooting anything today, but the weather is good. Tomorrow might be a little bit iffy, so we might start with interiors. But we're in the Bahamas. Make it happen. Welcome to your crib.
Welcome to Boatopia. Here we are, Midview Suites. We'll give you the tour in a minute. Let's go get the models. They're in the van.
So we're here at the Suites. Walking in this place, let me give you a quick tour here. Let me turn this around. All right, we have our staircase, dining room, Boatopia gear, kitchen, pretty full kitchen over here. Bought a few groceries, very overpriced at the local little bodega spot. We got living room over here, which is gonna be Led's room, pull-out couch, because he got here late, so. We have the videographer suite, nice. Chilling, den, living room area, master suite. Of course, Bernie's gonna take this with a jacuzzi and little outdoor area.
Go down the shot list here. Finish my rice and beans. We gotta call Rocky Buttery right now.
Sorry, what was that name?
His name is Rockford Buttery. And
Is that a description or is that his last name?
No. Some say he's a little buttery. I'm gonna call him right now. 1 second.
All right, let's listen.
Hey, is this Rocky?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, man? This is Bernard from Boatopia. We're the producers of the Superyacht shoot in the Bahamas coming up.
Oh, yeah. How are you?
Good, man. Good. Just want to give you a quick call.
It's not a Butteries.
Rocky Buttery's a nice guy. You know, these male models are no jokes. And now let's see the reveal. This is what we're talking about here. I mean, he's a good-looking man here.
That guy's buttery. It's about 6 a.m. here, day 2 of the shoot. We have great weather. You can see no storms or rain. We are headed down to the boat. We're going to be doing a morning run to the beach. They're going to be setting up some things for the guests, for some non-model guests on a little island there. So I'm just going to be catching some stuff, some drone stuff of the boat as it's making the run. All right, the late crew has arrived.
All right.
Everybody slept in.
We should have taken the big boat. Let me tell you, when you got seas that are choppy like this,
Yeah, how bad was that?
it was a little bumpy. My
You know
ass.
how cool though? We're waiting on the marina guide, and all of a sudden, a guy from another yacht's like, "Hey, Utopia guys!"
We got the models here. We're doing some lifestyle stuff. Sun deck, inside, outside. Now we got the little tender here. Headed back to the island. Gonna do some stuff over there with the whole setup. And then probably when we come back, we're gonna do the water toys and action shots. Successful full day shoot. We've been here for 12 hours, or at least I have officially. That last FPV drone went for like 11 minutes. It was pretty insane. And then I fell down the stairs, unfortunately. Dinged the battery a little bit, but I think overall is okay. Not even a bent prop.
Don't try this at home, kids. Trust me, it's not easy. You know what I'm saying? You're either gonna lose a finger, a toe, even worse.
And then the owner fell off the jet ski. We got that on video too.
But he's okay. That's all that matters. No one was harmed in the making of this film.
And invest in Botopia.